money.
You need money in order to travel, and I hear it time and time again. I can't afford to travel. Today, Memories Forever Travel is going to talk about budgeting. Wow, look at these shoes. They're 20% off. Oh, I need these. It's been a day. I need to go get a coffee. I think Caribou is still open. I do not feel like cooking tonight. I'm thinking Mexican. How about we go out and get a good old Mexican fest? Let's do it. Hi guys, it's Jeannie Michaels here from Memories Forever Travel Agency, and let's talk about budgeting today because this is a good topic to talk about, especially if you are looking to travel. So vacations are a very well-deserved luxury that I think Americans do kind of put on the back burner sometimes because they have all these things going on in their life and they're so stinking busy, and vacation is probably the least priority. Even though they would love to travel and that is a big goal of theirs, it just kind of sits there. The reason because of money. I want to talk about how you can save or rearrange things in your life and put that into a little nest for traveling. Okay, change your lifestyle. When I mean change your lifestyle, I mean truly look at your income that you bring in every single month and look at the expenses, all your bills, all your groceries for an entire month to see where is all that money going? What is it going towards? When you are able to compare your income to your expenses to see where the majority of your money is going, then we can start hitting hard on what it is you can probably start eliminating, which will allow you to save those dollars and put them into your travel fund. Are you someone that works in an office? Are you packing your own lunch, or are you going out to eat every day for lunch? That right there is one huge expense. Are you one that needs to go grab your Starbucks coffee every morning before you get to the office? Over time, eating out for lunch, getting those Starbucks coffees, it might not seem like a lot of money, but you would be surprised at how much those little things add up. We have iTunes, there's Netflix, there's going out to the bar every weekend and buying all these drinks. We all want to go see the movie when it first releases, so we have a big night out to the movie theater. Those are all super fun, but they're not really good for your budget.
Traveling is funner.
Do you need a new pair of shoes every other week? Do you need to have new clothes? Can you not reuse the clothes you had last year? Because I promise you, when you are going out and you are doing your little shopping sprees, you are probably buying many things that are more of a want versus a need. That's typically how it works. How much of your monthly income went to Starbucks and going out to eat, and oh, a new pair of shoes, oh my god, there's a beautiful purse? Take a look at that, see how much that is, and then tell me if you would be able to eliminate that from your life right now and be just as happy and know that you are taking all that money you just spent on those wanted items and you were able to put them into a travel fund so that you know you can go on that dream vacation that you have always wanted. Here is one thing I personally did when I used to work in an office and I had every 2 weeks my paycheck was coming in, right? So my paycheck every 2 weeks was split into 3 different accounts. I had my main checking account, I had my main savings account, and I had my vacation savings account. Every 2 weeks, I figured out how much money I need for my travels, and I had a portion of my paycheck directly deposited into that vacation savings. Because when I knew that that money was no longer going into my checking, it wasn't as easy to spend it because I didn't really see it. I mean, I knew it was going into my savings, but my checking was, always being used. That's how we pay our bills and we buy our groceries and gas